CCTV footage shows student being robbed on North Street.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
A Kingston College student was left traumatized on Wednesday, September 25, after he was held up and robbed along North Street while on his way home with his peers. The boy reported that he was robbed of his wallet and $1,000. The robbers, who appeared to be students, were dressed in khaki pants and casual shirts. They advanced from behind on the group of boys, then collared one, pushed him to the wall and proceeded to rob him. His peers later reported that they were threatened when they pleaded with the robbers to desist. The robbers eventually relented on the approach of a police vehicle. However, the police unit drove past them, apparently unaware that a robbery was taking place.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.